Hey everyone! Today we are looking at how to add captions to your video and how to, wait, what was the other thing? Oh yeah, how to easily edit your video if you mess up what you were saying and to easily remove those filler words. So first of all, why do we want to add captions? There are actually a lot of great reasons for adding captions or those subtitles at the bottom of your video, like you see here. One of the main ones is a lot of people actually watch videos on mute. If you're in an office environment or even in a crowded house, you might go on social media or on somebody's website and not want to turn the sound on. So by having subtitles there, it allows people to still get the content of your video without having to have the audio. It also makes it accessible for anyone that is hard of hearing, and it makes it easy to make sure that people actually are getting your message correctly, that they're not mishearing anything because they can read along with what you're saying. So with that, let's dive into a great tool that is super easy to use. Let's take a look. So the tool is called Descript, which you can see up here, descript.com. And if you want to watch a really feel-good promo video, just head on over to this homepage and watch this great video they put together describing exactly how fantastic this is. And the pricing is incredibly reasonable at $15 per month. This is the plan that I am on. And the benefit of that versus free is that the free version now includes a watermark. So you want to remove that watermark. So once you're in Descript, it looks like this. You can simply drag and drop your video in. And I'm using the video that we just looked at because I intentionally messed up a little bit in there, and it automatically transcribes. So you just hit transcribe in the bottom left and you can see how quickly it processes and transcribes. So once that's done, you can see it's got everything right here, your whole captions on the left-hand side. So how do you add those into the video? Well, the easiest way is to actually select all of the text in here. Simply do select all, the plus button up here, and interestingly, it's called Fancy Captions. So if you scroll down to Fancy Captions, that automatically adds that caption box in here. So I'll click on somewhere there are words, and over here in the upper right, you can change the text, the font, the size. So I always have it set to this text, small font size, and with a nice background color to make sure that the text pops. And I usually like to only have one line of captions, so I'll just reduce that down a little bit. We'll take that off and see here when I forgot what I was saying. So this is what is so amazing. If you have a one-take video and you want to edit out a few words or filler words, you can simply look here in the text, and just like a Word document, I said how to add captions to your video and how to, wait, what was the other thing? I can actually just highlight all of this and hit the delete button. And that edits it right in the program. So we'll go through here now. Add captions to your video and how to easily edit your video. It did that seamlessly. So without going into any editing software, it does it right in there. So you can see it right there. And once you're ready to go, you've reviewed everything and got your captions, just hit share in the upper right. And you can export it directly to YouTube if you want. I always export it as a video, save it on my cloud drive, and then I upload it into YouTube. A couple things to know about editing. Again, it works a lot like a Word document. So here we can see we've got a few extra periods when these are not the end of a sentence. So you can just go ahead and delete that, and we can go here and again delete that out there. And if we have a word that we need to change, let's say Adam shouldn't be in uppercase, just click on the word and you can see here it tells you to hit E. So I can hit E, and if I want to change it to his last name, we can put Owen in there and correct that. So it's just that easy to get it all updated. You can just scroll right through, watch it all, upload it, and there you've got wonderfully captioned videos removing any errors you made in speaking or filler words.